Hello everybody, today we are going to do something that is called calculator, scientific calculator. Yeah, you can make a calculator based on something that I'll teach you now. So for that, first make a new folder, name it as cal in JS. I like short forms, I'm a very lazy guy, you don't know about me. You shouldn't know about me. Yeah. Okay, open folder. I'll type cal. JS. I kinda hate this man. Cal in JS. Just type it here. Yes. Straightforward. Let it load and come. Okay, welcome back. Now here we go in this boring lectures. It's boring, right? Yeah. Sometimes it goes over a heading. Index.html. Now the basic template. And we just write here cal. And in the body I'll just keep the browser open. And just click on right, open with live server. There you go. Okay. Now in the body, what we can do is type a h1. Keep it as 0. 0. Okay. And an input field. I think you would know. If you don't, input field is a field where is a box where you enter the data, like normally you have been signing in with the Google accounts and etc. Input type text. What do you want to input? I want to input number. Okay. I wanted number, and placeholder is the guy which comes before, password and all those. So we'll write here your number. Check it out. Here you go, your number. And you can also do like this. Select a number. Load it. Okay. Now once we have done it, now we have to give it a class. Okay. Now in the class we give it a class of num. Okay. Now as we have done it, your first number, we'll just copy it, paste, name it as num1. Your second, okay, and also just copy it once again and paste it here and name it as OPR, as operator. Right here we write your operation and e.g. add. Let's check it out. and input type over here is text. Go. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to make it a bit larger. So you know what I do is to go here, write link CSS and create a new folder, a new file named as style.css, and in this what is the name of the element? h1 font size 100 pixels. Let's check it out. Yeah, good. And also h1 and input. No, for input it's too big. Okay, and input around 50 pixels we go. Okay, just delete it and put the font size 50 pixels. It's enough, right? Yeah. Okay, and we'll align it. Text align center. Okay, and font family sans serif. Okay, and we'll go to our favorite part, JS, the most confusing and yeah, I know. I've gone through that. We'll name it as cal.js, right? And create a new file, cal.js. Now in this, you would know what we are going to do. Now this is the first number. The first number, we are going to add the first number, and second one your operation, that means you want to add or subtract or all that. The second number, right? So in this we'll go to index.html. we'll see what is the, we give it, yeah, here. Oh, I forgot main thing, to add a button, right? And we will put a button and we write here on click submit. No, we don't need a button actually. Yeah, we don't need a button. Now we go to style, cal.js, and now in this we'll type use strict. And now we'll select that constant num equals to document dot query selector and dot num. Okay, and dot value, right? Is it value or dot input? So it says value. Yeah, we'll take care of that later. Just this and copy it times and there it is num1 1 and over here OPR and over here OPR. Okay, so I'll do the other stuff in the next part of this video. Okay, see you all guys later. Bye.